kazi bui asingli leidak le institution akane haula kamahon tam gajitai national pingli yaron ngalali atana jitata education midale ning. Now we will listen to a speech from our guest of honor, Brigadier P.S. Pante. I request sir to come on the stage and take your time, and will be followed by a special number from Kangkui Shinalong.
Elders of this area, brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, I am really privileged to be here today to witness this historic piece of ground where the first time in Second World War the battle was fought on the Indian soil. While talking to the gentleman who has done research on this, the importance of this battle came to my knowledge, and I'm sure he'll be also highlighting this. This was one of the important battles which prevented the further advance of the Axis army towards Kohima and further towards mainland India. The battle which was fought here delayed the advancing armies and gave some time for the defending army of Allied forces to prepare themselves for the Battle of Imphal and Battle of Kohima. We are also fortunate that today we have Mr. Risom with us, and I am sure through his good offices this place will be made more easily approachable, so that more number of people who have only heard about this place can come and visit it and learn from the history. It is very rare that we get opportunity to visit the battlefields, and much rarer to find people who have taken part in the battlefield, and this was a good occasion to at least shake hands with those people who were part of the Allied forces when the battle took place 70-80 years before. I would also like to thank Mr. Johnson for making such a wonderful effort to bring this particular battleground to our knowledge and popularizing it, publicizing it, so that all of us or more number of us are aware of it. And I do wish and hope that he will continue in his efforts, and this will be not a one-time affair. It will be a regular affair every year, and slowly more number of people will come and see and learn from the history and will be part of the history. In the end, I would also like to thank all of you for organizing the event and making it a success, and I wish this festival more successes in futures to come. Thank you.
Special number nganase. Kala hiwitili after the special number from Kangkui Women's Society, we will hear another speech from Mr. Akash Saha as the commander 25 PTF. After the special number.
Here I am proud to be the part of the expedition al fresco, and it is one of the most important event here, and all of this is the historic importance of this event. Road Construction Agency. I have traveled all the part of Himalayas from J&K to Arunachal. Now Manipur is one of the beautiful place which having beautiful scenic beauty, excellent, comfortable climate, and it is the potential to be the one of the most tourist destination of the Indians and the abroad and foreigner also, for which it requires some good law and order peaceful coexistence and infrastructure. I visualize in my last 1.5 year tenure here, I have traveled all corner of the mountain of Manipur. I have found it is a very beautiful scenic beauty and it can attract all of us, all part of the India. I request the state government to improve the state for the tourist destination, and from the tourist destination, the development of the state is possible. The income source of the local people is possible. So I request all the state government official and the local government to develop this state for the better tourist destination. We are doing the job of road construction mainly in the hilly areas, all parts of the hills of Manipur. I am giving all my thanks to local people who have given all support to us and given all possible help to doing the work peacefully. Though there is hindrance from different groups, but we are not getting any disturbance from all of them. I am really grateful for them for doing our work. But there is something hindrance for the frequent bonds, and this is also getting disturbance of the work culture. If it is reduced, and our development will be more faster, and if you respect the outsider contractor also, they can also give the better their work in the state, and development will be the more faster. I request all of you to think about that and make this state more participate for the more development, and by this way all of us will be benefited and we can lead our life better way. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We maramli kapishok hai tukmen hi kai kana sampang hai re masampang nang gajiping li la yaura ra sare how ka phok sa da itumui apam hi develop sa khawai mathasang sa khawai hili program sa bai mai khawai razang da khlai gu tong no khui miselo kala are volunteers ping na thuming a jailing a shaira ra sare lu pa hang phanga lim suida la sang misel se hang phanga li lang mai ka de la sang misel se. We have a document prepared by Fields. They have taken the initiative to beautify this land and to make this Harvakangai a historical about. And so just to encourage this starting point, we would like to hand out the documents and by way of appreciating their works and to start initiating this process. I request each and every one of us to donate a few amounts for this document for the welfare of this Harvakangai. And then in preparing this document, we give a special thanks to our guest speaker, Sri Yumnam Rajeswar Singh. He is a co-founder of the Second World War Impact Campaign Foundation. I really like the Pikashok Hili Itumwil. Ngachai zang dakla Yumnam Rajeswar ji maitei nau pa hi ana rai ka khania wi foundation ji wi co-founder ne hi wi maramle otsa dakle ne documentation hili awe na resource for sala kaya contribution sak mi wi bang ang buyam thakachari. Thank you, sir. China, we will hear another special number from Chingcharoy cultural group. They will sing a folk song, Haula Drop. Chingcharoy Wayna